In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate third-party applications with Jotform Workflows. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then log in to your account. From My Workspace, select My Workflows. Click Create Workflow, then choose Start from Scratch to open the Workflow Builder. In the Starting Point section, click Complete Settings and select the Jotform you want to use as the workflow trigger. If needed, add a form element to your workflow, complete its settings, choose the appropriate form, enter the assignee email address, and click Save. Next, open the Integrations tab from the left panel and choose the third-party application you want to connect. For this example, select Google Drive and add it to your workflow. Click the Google Drive element. Then click Authenticate and sign in to your Google account to authorize the connection. After the authentication is complete, configure any required settings for the integration and save your changes. When you are finished, publish your workflow if needed to activate the automation. That's how to integrate third-party applications with Jotform Workflows. Thanks for watching.